What if I told you that the secret to stronger legs and better muscle health after 60 isn't about working out harder, but about what you do before you go to sleep? Most people believe that muscle weakness, stiff legs, and slower movement are just an unavoidable part of aging. But that's not the whole story. The real reason so many people lose strength as they get older isn't just about what happens during the day, it's about what happens at night, while you sleep. And if you're missing this critical window, you could be losing strength and independence much faster than you need to. Today, I'm going to share a simple, science-backed routine that can help you wake up feeling stronger, more flexible, and ready to move no matter your age. Let's get one thing clear. Muscle loss after 60 is not something you just have to accept. It's preventable, and the solution is simpler than you might think. Your muscles aren't actually built during exercise, they're built while you rest. Every day, your muscles experience tiny amounts of damage from normal activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even just standing up. During the day, your body is busy with digestion, stress, and keeping you alert. But at night, your body shifts into repair mode. This is when your muscles rebuild and get stronger. The problem is, after 60, your body's natural repair crew starts to shrink. Growth hormone production drops, protein synthesis slows, and your digestive system doesn't absorb nutrients as efficiently. If you're not giving your body the right fuel before bed, or worse, if you're going to bed hungry, your muscles don't have what they need to repair. Over time, you wake up feeling weaker, stiffer, and less confident on your feet. I've seen so many people frustrated by this. They try to stay active and eat healthy, but still feel themselves getting weaker. The reason? They're ignoring the most important meal of the day, the one right before bed. Skipping food at night, or reaching for sugary snacks, can actually make things worse. But what if you could eat specific fruits before bed that support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, prevent leg cramps, and help you wake up feeling refreshed? The science is clear. Certain fruits provide natural sugars, antioxidants, fiber, and nutrients that help your body rebuild muscle and reduce inflammation while you sleep. Let's talk about the first fruit, kiwi. This small fuzzy fruit is a powerhouse for nighttime muscle recovery and sleep quality. Kiwi is rich in serotonin, which helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, and vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production and muscle repair. The antioxidants in kiwi reduce inflammation, while the fiber keeps your blood sugar stable through the night. Eating one kiwi about an hour before bed can help you fall asleep faster, sleep more deeply, and give your muscles the nutrients they need to rebuild. Don't worry about blood sugar spikes. Kiwis' natural sugars are balanced by its fiber, making it a perfect pre-bed snack. If your main problem is inflammation, soreness, or waking up with heavy, stiff legs, try Tart Cherries. Tart cherries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that calm inflammation at the cellular level. They also contain natural melatonin, which improves sleep quality, and compounds that protect your muscle cells from oxidative stress. Eating half a cup of fresh or frozen tart cherries, or drinking 4 ounces of pure tart cherry juice with no added sugar, about 30 to 60 minutes before bed, can help reduce soreness, improve mobility, and speed up recovery. Just remember, more is not better. Stick to the recommended amount to avoid excess sugar. For those who struggle with nighttime leg cramps or morning weakness, bananas are your best friend. Bananas are loaded with potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6 minerals and nutrients that help your muscles relax, contract, and recover. Potassium is especially important for preventing cramps and supporting smooth muscle function. Eat half to one banana about an hour before bed, especially if you've been active during the day. The natural sugars provide energy for overnight repair, while the fiber keeps your blood sugar steady. Avoid overripe bananas, as they can spike your blood sugar more than just ripe ones. The real magic happens when you combine these fruits into a simple, consistent nighttime routine. Kiwi for sleep and general muscle repair, tart cherries for inflammation and soreness, and bananas for minerals, cramps, and strength. Each fruit plays a specific role, and together they create a powerful system to protect and rebuild your muscle strength after 60. Remember, what you eat before bed is just as important, if not more important, than what you eat for breakfast or lunch. Nighttime is when your body does the majority of its repair work, and if you're not fueling that process, you're missing your best chance to stay strong and independent. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Choose the fruit that matches your biggest need: kiwi for sleep and weakness, tart cherries for soreness and inflammation, or banana for cramps and morning strength. Step 2. Eat your chosen fruit about 60 minutes before bed. Step 3. Stay consistent for 10 to 14 days. Don't give up after just a night or two. Your body needs time to respond. Track how your legs feel in the morning, how you sleep, and how much energy you have during the day. You'll be amazed at the difference. I challenge you to pick one of these fruits tonight and commit to this routine for the next week. Notice the changes, feel the difference, and share your results in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you care about who might be struggling with weak legs, muscle loss, or poor sleep. Your support helps us reach more people and create more content to keep you strong, independent, and vibrant as you age. And remember, always consult your doctor before making changes to your diet, especially if you have health conditions or take medications. Thank you for trusting me with your health. Now, go eat that fruit, get some rest, and wake up tomorrow feeling stronger than you did today.